This video will show you how to clean and maintain your gas hob on the Smeg Range Cookers. All Smeg Range Cookers come with quality cast iron pan supports. These offer a great stable base for supporting cookware and are robust and durable. The best way to clean your pan supports and burner caps is by hand. Use a non-abrasive cream cleaner or a detergent such as washing up liquid. Use a damp cloth and lukewarm water. Don't leave the pan supports and burner caps to soak, they should be cleaned and dried immediately. Some range cookers will have an enamelled top, while others will have stainless steel. To clean both types of hob tops, use a non-abrasive cream cleaner without the use of any bleaching agents. Use a soft, damp cloth and put a little bit of detergent onto the cloth and then wipe the surface clean. To polish, use a small amount of water with a microfiber cloth. For correct operation, the ignition and the thermocouples must be perfectly clean. Check frequently and clean with a damp cloth. For any baked-on residue, you can clean with a wooden toothpick or a needle. To clean the front fascia panel, it's actually possible to remove the dials. On the Victoria range cooker, the dials are spring-loaded, so you can access behind the dials. Don't use any chemicals with bleaching agents, as this can damage the control panel. To clean the dials, wipe down with a soft damp cloth and dry thoroughly. The Smeg Range Cookers offer style and performance. To see how they work, have a look at some of our other videos.